Subscribe today for free. Episode 35, The Giant Great Whites. Great white sharks are one of my favorite shark species that exists in our oceans. My favorite shark species is actually the megalodon, but for this video's purpose, we'll say out of shark species that have been found alive, the great white tops my list. This shark is just such an amazing apex predator. With a mouth over 3 feet wide and enormous teeth, it definitely is a force to be reckoned with. I always wonder just how big these sharks can get. So far we keep discovering larger and larger great whites. Some of them are even 8 feet tall. Just imagine how long a shark like that would be. Over 20 feet long. That is one reason why great whites are my favorite. They are one of the largest sharks out there. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated on upcoming new videos.